The Bemidji Area Child Care Innovation Program hosted a legislative panel today to address the shortage of daycare providers in the region. Reporter Malak Katab tells us what the biggest challenges daycare providers face.
The Beltrami County boardroom was filled with concerned community members and daycare providers as they joined state legislators in an open forum tonight in Bemidji. The panel was organized by the Bemidji Area Child Care Innovation Program, who've been gathering feedback from child care providers on legislations they'd want to see changed.
We've been leading this effort since January with a team of 30 throughout greater Bemidji area to address the needs that we have in childcare. Obviously, there's a need for childcare slots. We want to know how our legislative representatives can support those needs in rural Minnesota, and especially looking at greater Bemidji.
Senator Paul Etke, Representative John Purcell, and Representative Matt Grossel heard from numerous daycare providers. The informal panel gave providers the opportunity to talk about their ideas they'd want to see done legislatively. Some of the ideas being presented deal with community solutions.
Those solutions are around supporting our current providers that are here and trying to bolster that network of providers so that we add more providers to our network. However, some of the rules and regulations that are in place in Minnesota make that really difficult because the startup costs are expensive. To build a center is not cost efficient here, especially with the demographics that we have in Beltrami County.
Other issues discussed included current laws in Minnesota that determine how someone can be licensed and how many children they can care for. Currently in Beltrami County, there are 97 licensed child care providers. The biggest challenge that daycare providers face is the infant slots.
We have some providers quitting. We have some providers that quit after 1 or 2 years. So the goal is, as a core team, to come together and try to help with providers that we can retain them, and we can also get more into the career.
4 proposals were presented to the panel. The first one was to raise the C3 license with 2 adults to 14. Proposal 2 was to provide allowance for optional forms of daycare. The third proposal was dropping the preschool age by 6 months and starting a pilot program for subsidy to infant care. Reporting in Bemidji, Malak Katab, Lakeland News.
There's currently 226 infant slots and a current shortage of 747 child care slots in the Bemidji School District area.
If you enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland PBS.